Meet the green chili pepper, a true culinary hero, celebrated in kitchens around the world for its bold flavor and unmistakable heat. This vibrant ingredient is more than just a simple addition to your meal. It's a symbol of culinary adventure and creativity. It's not just a vegetable, it's a global flavor powerhouse, adding heat and excitement to dishes from Mexico to Thailand, and everywhere in between. From spicy salsas to tangy curries, the green chili brings a spark of life to every bite, uniting food lovers across continents. Picked before it ripens, the green chili delivers a fresh, sharp flavor and signature heat, making it incredibly versatile. Its crispness and intensity can transform a simple dish into something extraordinary, whether used raw, cooked, or even pickled. Whether starring in a chili relleno, lending its fire to a stir-fry, or adding depth to a simmering sauce, it's a fundamental building block in countless cuisines. Chefs and home cooks alike rely on its punchy flavor to elevate their creations. The journey from seed to plate is a fascinating blend of tradition and technology. Generations of farmers have perfected the art of growing these peppers, passing down knowledge and techniques that ensure each harvest is better than the last. Modern farming ensures a steady supply, combining age-old agricultural wisdom with cutting-edge machinery. Today's farmers use advanced tools to nurture the plants, monitor their growth, and harvest them at just the right moment for maximum flavor. Understanding this journey helps us appreciate the effort behind every chili. Each pepper is carefully sorted, cleaned, and prepared, ensuring only the best make it to your kitchen. It's not just a supermarket item, it's the result of careful planning, dedication, and hard work by countless hands. Every step, from planting to harvest, is a testament to human ingenuity and passion for food. In the next scenes, we'll follow the green chili's path from soil to table, exploring the many stages that bring this fiery ingredient to your plate. We'll dig into the earth, watch the plants grow, and see how these peppers are harvested, processed, and finally prepared for your next meal. Join us as we begin the journey of the green chili pepper, a true kitchen superstar. Every green chili's journey starts in the soil. Before a single seed is planted, the earth must be just right. This is where the story of every pepper truly begins. The soil is more than just a place to anchor roots, it's the foundation for everything that follows. Farmers act as expert real estate agents, searching for the perfect plot. They look for loose, well-drained earth, no soggy roots allowed. If the soil is too compact or waterlogged, the young plants will struggle to breathe and grow. The right pH is crucial. Green chilies thrive in slightly acidic to neutral soil, ideally between 6.0 and 7.0. If the soil is too acidic or too alkaline, essential nutrients become locked away, making it hard for the plants to absorb what they need. To get things just right, farmers test and adjust the soil, then plow and aerate it, breaking up clumps and letting air reach deep below the surface. This process creates a soft, welcoming bed for young roots to explore and grow strong. Next, organic matter and fertilizers are added, stocking the pantry for the growing plants. Compost, manure, and natural fertilizers enrich the soil, providing a steady supply of nutrients as the chilies grow. This careful preparation creates a nurturing environment for healthy, productive crops. The soil becomes a living ecosystem, full of beneficial microbes and earthworms that help the plants thrive. But soil isn't the only factor. Climate matters too. Chilies love warmth and sunshine, ideally between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius. Too much cold or too much heat can stress the plants and reduce yields. That's why farmers carefully time their planting, watching the weather and waiting for the perfect window. They avoid cold snaps and make sure there's plenty of sun to help the seedlings grow strong and healthy. The perfect home for peppers is a blend of rich, well-prepared soil and a sunny, welcoming climate. When these elements come together, the results are fields full of vibrant, healthy plants. Without this strong foundation, there's no chance for a great harvest. Poor soil or the wrong climate can mean weak, stunted plants and disappointing yields. Every step from testing and tilling to feeding and timing is about setting the stage for success. It's a careful dance between nature and nurture. Once the soil is ready, the journey continues as seeds are sown in this carefully crafted environment, each one full of potential. With the perfect home prepared, the stage is set for the next chapter in the life of a green chili. Let's see what happens next. Before facing the open field, chili seeds start life in a protected nursery. Planted in nutrient-rich trays, they're kept warm, watered, and safe from pests. For 4 to 6 weeks, these seedlings are nurtured to develop strong roots and stems. This early care ensures a higher survival rate when they move to the main field. When ready, it's transplanting time, by hand on small farms or by machine on large ones. Machines ensure perfect spacing, helping every plant get enough sun, water, and nutrients. Proper spacing prevents overcrowding and maximizes land use. This careful planning at planting sets the stage for a healthy, productive crop. The young plants are now ready to soak up the sun and start growing. Every detail matters in these early days. The foundation is set for a season of growth. Next, we'll see what it takes to keep these plants happy. Now in the field, pepper plants need 2 essentials: water and nutrients. Watering is a delicate balance. Too little, they wilt; too much, roots drown. Modern farms use drip irrigation, delivering water directly to roots and minimizing waste. This keeps leaves dry, reducing disease risk. As plants grow, they need more nutrients: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Farmers provide these through precise fertilization, supporting strong stems and abundant fruit. Protecting the crop is just as important. Pests and diseases threaten the harvest, so targeted pesticides are used responsibly. Healthy plants mean high-quality peppers. Every step is about maximizing yield and quality. Technology and care work hand in hand. The result: thriving chili plants ready for the next stage. Let's see how flowers and fruit develop. The journey is just heating up. With water, nutrients, and protection, chili plants enter their main growth phase. Leaves act as solar panels, capturing sunlight for energy. After 40-60 days, the plants bloom with small white flowers, each a potential chili. Pollination, often by bees, is crucial for fruit to form. Once pollinated, flowers drop their petals, leaving tiny green nubs, the start of new peppers. Over the next weeks, these nubs grow, fueled by sunshine and nutrients. Inside, seeds and spicy capsaicin develop, giving chilies their signature heat. Timing is everything. The farmer monitors growth closely. As peppers mature, they become plump and shiny, packed with flavor. The harvest window is near, and precision is key. The plant's energy is now focused on producing perfect fruit. Every detail counts for a successful crop. Soon it's time to pick the peppers at their peak. Let's see how the harvest unfolds. Harvest time is here, the moment farmers have worked toward for months. Timing is critical. Too early, and chilies lack flavor; too late, and they turn red and sweet. On small farms, peppers are handpicked for quality, with each one carefully inspected. Healthy plants can produce multiple harvests in a season. Large farms use mechanical harvesters, quickly collecting peppers at peak freshness. Machines gently remove peppers, keeping costs down and efficiency high. Whether by hand or machine, speed is essential to preserve freshness. Peppers are often picked in the cool morning or evening to keep them crisp. Once harvested, they're loaded into bins and rushed to processing facilities. The journey from field to factory is fast and precise. Every minute counts to maintain quality. The next stage: transforming fresh chilies for your table. Let's follow the peppers into the processing plant. The adventure continues. Once harvested, green chilies are swiftly transported to the processing facility to preserve their vibrant color and fresh flavor. The journey from farm to factory is carefully timed, ensuring the chilies arrive at their peak, ready for the next stage. The first step is meticulous. Workers remove the stems by hand or with specialized machines, making sure only the best parts of the pepper move forward. Next, the chilies are thoroughly washed on conveyor belts, where jets of water remove any lingering dirt, dust, or pesticide residue. This deep cleaning is essential for both safety and taste. After washing, the chilies are carefully spread out on large drying racks. Here they're air-dried to remove excess moisture, which helps prevent spoilage and intensifies their natural flavors. This drying process is closely monitored to ensure the chilies don't lose their signature heat or aroma. Next, the chilies are given a quick fry in hot oil. This step is brief but crucial. It crisps the peppers, blisters the skin, and locks in flavor. The high heat also makes the skin easier to peel, while adding a subtle smokiness to the flesh. Once fried, the peppers are rapidly cooled to stop the cooking process. Skilled workers then peel away the tough, blistered skin by hand, revealing the tender flesh beneath. Most of the seeds are removed at this stage, ensuring a smoother texture and a milder bite. This careful peeling and deseeding not only improves the texture, but also enhances the overall eating experience, making the chilies more versatile for a variety of dishes. Interestingly, while many believe the seeds hold all the heat, it's actually the white pith inside the chili that packs the most punch. By removing most seeds but leaving some pith, processors can control the final heat level. At every stage, quality control teams inspect the chilies for consistency, color, and freshness. Only the best peppers make it through, ensuring a high standard for the final product. Now, the processed chilies are neatly arranged and set aside, ready for their next transformation, whether that's slicing, chopping, or blending. Through processing, raw chilies are turned into a range of versatile ingredients, from diced and sliced to pureed forms, each suited for different culinary uses. The journey from field to flavor is well underway, with each step building on the last to preserve freshness and enhance taste. Soon, these carefully processed chilies will be packaged and shipped, ready to become the products you see on store shelves and in your favorite recipes. Join us as we explore the next stage, the art and science of transforming these vibrant peppers into delicious, ready-to-use ingredients for kitchens everywhere. Washed, peeled, and deseeded, the chilies are ready for their final form. Many are marinated in vats with salt, vinegar, garlic, and spices, enhancing not overpowering their natural flavor. The marination infuses every pepper with complex taste. After marinating, peppers are packed into sterilized cans or jars with seasoned sauce. Canning preserves flavor and ensures food safety. Airtight sealing and pasteurization kill bacteria, giving the product a long shelf life. This allows green chilies to travel the world and be enjoyed year-round. Before shipping, each batch undergoes strict quality control for flavor, texture, and appearance. Only the best make it to your table. The journey from farm to can is nearly complete. Soon, these chilies will spice up your favorite dishes. Let's see their final destination. After a long journey, green chilies arrive at your table, ready to transform any meal. Their uses are endless: stir-fries, stews, salsas, dips, or simply as a spicy side. Green chilies add depth, excitement, and a touch of adventure to any dish. Their versatility is matched by their health benefits. Capsaicin, the compound behind their heat, can boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. Chilies are rich in vitamin C for immunity and vitamin A for vision and skin. Every bite delivers both flavor and nutrition. Next time you add green chilies, remember the journey behind each one. From farm to fork, it's a story of care, science, and flavor. The green chilies adventure ends on your plate, spicing up your world. Enjoy the heat, savor the story. The journey is complete.